If you want to earn money from online and get experience by watching real life example step-by-step video, then watch the video till the end. A YouTuber earns his own income and shares it with the real audience through videos. Many of you have seen the video of H Educate. With just 70 videos, he has gained almost 1 million subscribers. He has built trust with his audience in such a way that his video get 50k to 100k views as soon as he uploads them. H Educate one video has got 2.5 million views. Besides doing his own work, he earns his own income by making videos of that work and uploading them to YouTube. And the audience gets motivated to work by getting real life example. I analyzed his channel well and found some points which will help new YouTubers a lot. His videos are professionally and simply edited, but his thumbnails are decorated with high quality images and text. In the title, he says something about his video, which is why he gets more clicks. H Educate has screen recorded his real work in his video and creates videos with a face camera that doesn't require much editing. Those who want to earn money working online must visit H Educate YouTube channel. This is not sponsored video. I subscribed to his channel and learned a lot. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Tell me about H Educate in the comment. Click to see the next video. Thanks for watching.